Hi guys, now I am going to show you that how to edit vertical or portrait video on Camtasia 8. Actually this video is about how to add blur on your background. First you have to drag this video first timeline. You have to add this timeline and then second this again drag and third timeline, this first video and this second video. Okay guys, then you have to add callouts. You have to click this callouts, then click this icon and special effect blur, this special effect blur. Then this blur you have to add this track to. Guys, this video is background video. If you want to blur background, click this background video and blur whole image. Okay guys, done, and you can play. Huh. Yes, very nice workings. Yes, this works very nice. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.